Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you how you can fix if Google Chrome is not opening on your Windows 10 or 11 laptop. And later I'll show you in the same video. Later I'll show you in the Android version also. For example, if your Android mobile Google Chrome app is not working, how you can fix also. First, we'll see on the desktop or the laptop computer. So this is on my laptop. If this Chrome is not getting open or being stuck or not responding or something like that, is not at all opening for you, you can right click on the taskbar. You can click on task manager. So task manager will show the current running program. See here, Chrome, there are multiple windows open for the Google Chrome. See here, 23. So that's the reason maybe Chrome is not getting open. What you can do is you can right click on this. You can click on end task. Once you click on end task, restart your computer and now try to open Google Chrome. So if this step didn't work for you, on the search, on your Windows search, just search as Google Chrome. Okay, Google Chrome, and here you will find Google Chrome app. Right click on it and click on file, open file location. Yeah, Google Chrome is available in this location. You need to right click on this and first click on run as administrator. In the few cases, if you observe, there may not be a permission for the normal user to use this Chrome. For example, I'll show you. I'll click on more options for the Chrome and click on properties here, and in the security section, for my laptop, Chrome can used by every user on this laptop, but if it is set to only administrators and if they apply click on OK, when you sign in with normal users or any other user, Google Chrome won't be accessible. So in this way, the first thing you need to do is right click on it and click run as administrator and check whether it is working or not. And another thing you can do is you can just rename the Google Chrome as something and now check whether this is working. Double click on it and try to open this and whether it is working or not. So if this also didn't work for you, you just need to uninstall this Google Chrome. You need to click on this Windows symbol and then settings, then click on apps. Under installed apps you will find this Google Chrome. You just need to uninstall this. See here under apps, just go to installed apps and here find the Google Chrome app. See here, this is the Google Chrome app, and the right side, if you click on these three dots, you will find this uninstall option. Just you need to click on uninstall and you can open Microsoft Edge browser on your desktop only with another browser, maybe Microsoft Edge or any browser, Mozilla Firefox or Safari, whatever it may be. Just browse through www.google.com/chrome, and here there will be an option called download Chrome. Just download it and install it again on your computer. So if there are any issues with the Chrome version or Chrome compatibility or anything with the Chrome, you will be able to resolve the issue and restart your computer and everything works fine. See here, uninstall option will be there, so you need to uninstall and go to the different browser and you can just browse it. Let us see on Android. It is very simple. Just you need to clear the data and relaunch the Chrome. It works. I'll show you. On Android, the solution is simple. Just press and hold on the Chrome and click on this I symbol, which is info symbol. Just you need to click on storage usage and click on clear cache and clear all data. This will refreshes the Chrome, Google Chrome, and now if you open the Google Chrome, maximum your problem get resolved, or else you go to Play Store and uninstall the Chrome and reinstall. I hope you like this tutorial and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.